What's up, everyone? Jeff Moreland here for Pivot Media, Pivot TV. Man, we got a great story tonight. I really just want to focus on everything that's going on with the Diddy case and what we know up to this point right here. Sean Combs, the influential music mogul, known by his various stage names such as Puff Daddy, P. Diddy, and Love. He's embroiled in a significant legal battle following his arrest on charges of racketeering and coercive abuse. These allegations, which have surfaced after decades of rumors and speculation, mark a pivotal moment in Combs' career. Interestingly, long before these charges came to light, Combs himself predicted potential legal troubles. Stating in a 1999 interview with Entertainment Tonight, he says, "They're going to probably be arresting me, doing all types of crazy things just because we want to have a good time."
They won't even give me a permit for the parties, man. They don't want me to throw the parties no more. But we ain't gonna stop. We're gonna keep on having fun, bringing people together from all walks of life. You're gonna hear about my parties. They're gonna be shutting them down. They're gonna probably be arresting me, doing all types of crazy things just because we want to have a good time. You know, whenever you bring up a different element into people's environment, things that broaden people's horizon, people get intimidated. There's a lot of people out there that feel intimidated by it. And it ain't nothing but break it down racial barriers, break it down generation barriers, people from all walks of life. Ron Perlman talking to Jay-Z talking to, you know what I'm saying? It just goes on and on, you know, it's just like people from all walks of life connecting and getting together.
The federal indictment, unsealed shortly after Combs' arrest, depicts a troubling narrative of orchestrated events that allegedly involved coercion and manipulation over many years. The gatherings, referred to as freak-offs, were reportedly elaborate and involved both female victims and male commercial workers. According to the indictment, Combs allegedly used force, threats, and the distribution of controlled substances to ensure compliance. During raids on Combs' property, authorities discovered firearms, narcotics, and a significant quantity of lube and baby oil, over 1,000 bottles. Allegedly, all of it's linked to these orchestrated events. Following his arrest, Combs had been ordered to remain at the Metropolitan Detention Center until time of his trial. Despite his legal team's efforts to secure his release with a $50 million bail package, citing his cooperation and willingness to comply with the stringent conditions, bail has still been denied twice. The court's decision reflects concerns about Combs' potential threat to the community. During his court appearance, Combs pleaded not guilty, maintaining his innocence in the face of serious accusations. His attorney, Mark Angliflo, criticized the prosecution as unjust, emphasizing Combs' long-standing contributions to the community and his role as a family man. Prosecutors allege that Combs engaged in a persistent pattern of coercive behavior, leveraging his influence to manipulate and control individuals around him. The indictment claims that Combs and his business associates lured individuals under false pretenses, often involving high-profile social events. These gatherings frequently attracted Hollywood's elite, with celebrities such as Leonardo DiCaprio, Sarah Jessica Parker, and Jennifer Lopez being photographed at Combs' famous parties. However, there is no indication that any of those attendees were involved in any alleged illegal activities. Combs' legendary parties have long been a hallmark of his public persona, drawing a who's who of the entertainment industry. These events, known for their opulence and exclusivity, were held in lavish settings such as his Hamptons mansion or Beverly Hills home. Over the years, his guest list has included high-profile names like Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian, Jay-Z, and Beyonce. Despite their glamorous facades, some accounts, including those from a former attendee, claims to have supplied substances at one of those parties, describe unsettling activities allegedly occurring behind closed doors. This individual recounted scenes of excessive behavior, noting that many partygoers were allegedly under the influence of lots of substances. The charges against Combs have cast a long shadow over his career, challenging his image as a successful entrepreneur and philanthropist. Known for his entrepreneurial spirit and significant influence in the music industry, these allegations threaten to reshape his legacy. Prosecutors have stated that Combs' alleged actions were part of the broader criminal enterprise involving serious offenses such as forced labor, bribery, and obstruction of justice. This case has sparked widespread discussions about power dynamics, accountability, and the responsibility of public figures. The U.S. Attorney, Damon Williams, has emphasized the gravity of these allegations. highlighting the roles of Combs' associates in facilitating the alleged activities. The prosecution is assembling a comprehensive case supported by a wide array of evidence, including financial records, electronic communications, and testimony from alleged victims and witnesses. As the investigation continues, authorities urging anyone with any relevant information to come forward, underscoring the ongoing nature of the inquiry. With a trial date set for October 9th, Combs is facing a minimum sentence of 15 years if he's convicted on all counts. As the legal proceedings unfold, the case is poised to be a focal point in discussions about celebrity influence, the abuse of power, and the complexities of justice in the entertainment industry. The unfolding saga serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by public figures under the scrutiny of both the legal system and the public eye, highlighting the importance of accountability and ethical conduct in all facets of life. As more details emerge, the world watches closely, awaiting the outcome of a case that could significantly impact one of the world's biggest entertainers. There's been a lot of other stories that are uncorroborated, not really what I'm interested in doing on this channel, but what have you heard? Put it down in the comments and let us know. Who's going to go down with Diddy if he starts talking? Do you think he's going to make it to trial? A lot of people are speculating that he won't. Let us know what you think in the comments, guys. Also, check me out on other platforms. I'm on Snapchat under The Real Pivot TV, on YouTube under The Real Pivot TV. You can find me on Instagram as The Real Pivot TV. Ask me questions on Facebook and I'll do my best to answer them in the next show. My Facebook is Pivot TV Adult Hip Hop. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you hit that heart button or hit the like button if you're on YouTube. If you liked anything you heard here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you can be updated every time I drop a new piece of content. Guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.